Okay, so now I want to give you two exercises. This one is for white. It's white to move. Your task is to find a maneuver winning the pawn on a5.
Winning the pawn on... Sorry, where? A5?
a5, right.
Yeah, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, so I think you could probably play something along the lines of knight c3, attacking the knight and the rook. So after the rook moves to c5 in order to defend the a5 pawn, we could play something... Let's see. No, we probably don't want to capture the knight. We could play knight back to... we could play knight to e4 to attack the rook. So after rook comes to b5 again, we can play knight to d6.
Which knight?
Sorry, the e4 knight.
Knight e to d6.
Yep. So after the king goes to c5, we can play knight to b7.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and then we can take the knight, the pawn.
The pawn. So knight c3. He can't capture on c3 with the knight because there is intermediate move. Rook takes
Check.
on d7 with check, and then we capture the knight. That's why rook c5 to keep protection of the a5 pawn. Knight e4. Rook back to b5. Knight e to d6. He still needs to play rook c5 to keep protection of the pawn, and after knight b7, that's a fork.
Yeah.
Okay, good.